Good afternoon, November 28th, Monday, 2022. The snow is starting to melt, 4 foot of snow. This here is my sawmill. It was buried, but now is on burying. Over here we have a pile of logs and a log dive. Logs are still pretty buried. When we look over further, we have another pile of logs. Zoom in. So I think now that the snow's melted enough, we're going to dig out the sawmill and start sawing some logs for a project on the trail. We have the log up on 2 planks, got the dolly out of the way, and now, if things go well, we should be able to roll it up right up on top. Pretty close. Let's see if we can one-handed get this one up here. Right up and over. There we go. And this one looks like it's probably just got to be slid down a little bit, and we're going to be in good shape. I made a pass along the top, and I made a pass on this side here. You can see. Still running. I have to get a tripod so that you can actually see it working, but we're going to cut some planks now. We got one log sawed up. We cleaned off the sawmill. I think we're going to leave it open right now. It's not supposed to rain or snow for the next few days. And I got a big pile of buried logs. So over here as we stack this log we just sawed, and we made 1 inch by about 6 inch planks. They're probably, I don't know, 8 foot long or so. They're going to be used on the trail as part of the one project. Let's here's some wood planks that we cut last time from our sawmill. We got a pile still to cut. But let's take a look at using our moisture meter. We'll at the moisture content. Let's have a look. Yep, probably should turn it on. So it looks like it's, I guess I gotta be upside down. It's 15. Let's try this one. 19. 14. This is one we cut a while ago. Let's see what this one's reading. 23. Well, that's still got a lot of moisture in it. Alright, well.